Look at this fun toy vehicle you can buy from AliExpress today. Number 1. Camera Robot Car. Looking for a smart, affordable robot car for learning and home security? Check out the 4WD or 2WD Camera Robot Car Kit with S32 cam. It's compact, powerful, and packed with features. This robot car uses the S32 cam as a main control board, combined with the L298M motor driver, forming an intelligent mobile robot. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and DIY home security enthusiasts. Number 2. Off-road racing car. Ready to feel the power with the KF18 114 scale high-speed off-road beast. With a blazing top speed of up to 75 kilometers per hour, this RC car is built for extreme action. Powered by a brushless 2440 motor and a 2 seconds or 3 seconds lithium battery. Number 3. High-speed 4-wheel racing car. Ready, set, drift! Introducing the 120 scale 4WD/RC Drift Lightning car built for speed, control, and non-stop fun. With 4-wheel drive and real rubber racing tires, you'll drift like a pro indoors or outdoors. Hit speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour and race up to 40 meters away with full 2.4 GHz control. It features front and rear throttle control, smooth left or right turns, and cool lights including headlights, tail lights, and underglow. Number 4. High-speed, drifting track off-road vehicle. Introducing the powerful Desert Blazer RC tank car where toughness meets adventure. With a realistic military design in desert yellow or German gray, it looks just like a real off-road tank. Powered by a strong 7.4 volts 500 mAh battery, this beast can cruise at speeds of up to 8 kilometers per hour, perfect for backyard battles and off-road missions. Equipped with 130 and 290 dual motors for front, rear, left, and right drive, you'll have total control on any terrain. Charge it for about 180 minutes and enjoy 15 minutes of powerful action. Use a 2.4 GHz remote to drive up to 50 meters away, no interference. Just pure RC fun. Perfect for boys, teens, and RC fans who love rugged military vehicles. Built tough with a solid 1.3 kilogram structure and awesome D. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.